Well, I am absolutely delighted with myself. So I'm here with 4 lads from my hometown of Bray. Big September. Yay! Thank you so much for coming into the Two Tube session room. You're very welcome.
Thank you, Bláthnaid, for having us.
Nah, not at all. So obviously you guys have been making some serious waves in the last 6 months or so. We've been hearing a lot about you on the radio. So tell me what's been going on.
We've just been touring around the country, really, getting our name about. We released a few singles that did well on the radio and stuff, like the Preacher especially. We got some great things out of it, like the Late Late Show and other TV things, and that's just been going well. We're just trying to work hard at being really professional at what we're doing, like good singles, good artwork, good, you know, trying to really step it up and just being patient with it. That's the
well, it is. It's all going really well. It's really showing because like you're doing really well in the charts and everything. And tell me about your latest single.
Tear It All Up. It was a song. It was the first song I actually brought to the band, and then we've had it there for a while. We just released it on Friday, and it's going really well actually. 2,000 hits in a day, and
not bad.
It's in the charts at the moment, so it's going well. You know, if people want to see us, we've got a few good gigs coming up.
You do, yes.
We're playing in Dolan's in Limerick on Thursday, and we've got the Academy on the 21st of December with MCD. So that's a big one.
Make sure you get to that one, yeah.
And then for all the hangovers after New Year, it's INEC in Killarney on the 2nd of January. So
awesome,
you can check out these new tunes there.
It's good stuff. And you guys, you were really busy during the summer as well. Like you were playing with the likes of, let me check it out here, Madness, Imelda May, Hive. Like what was that like?
Yeah, it was cool. We played the Kilruddery Festival in our local town in Bray, so it was good to walk out to a packed tent, you know, so it was very enjoyable and it was a good experience.
Awesome.
You know, so we're looking forward to the summer this year.
Yeah.
Hopefully all the festivals.
Getting you prepared for all the madness that's about to come. Well, guys, you're going to play for us one of your best known singles, which is The Preacher, so take it away.
Thanks.
Cool.
Thank you.
2, 3, 4.
If you want to be a man, you gotta walk a certain way. If you want to be a preacher, you gotta teach them what to say. If you want a revolution, you gotta start amongst your friends. If you think the war is over, see the battle never ends. And people think you're twisted, and people think you're strange. Let them all come running, let them play the game. You were born a leader, you were born a king. Open up your eyes and take it all in. I don't wanna find the one and waste away the years, cause all that lovey-dovey stuff, man, it bores me to tears. I wanna fly amongst the birds, I wanna sail across the seas, cause if you lose your freedom, you'll lose your beliefs. And people think I'm twisted, and people think I'm strange. Let them all come running, we'll set you through the maze. See, you were born a leader, you were born a king. Open up your eyes and see what you can.